This is the fourth part for tutorial number 1 in the drafting class. What I'm going to do in this tutorial is round all the edges off and chamfer the holes. So to start off with, I'm going to basically take the model right now and I'm just going to go and put it in a different view. So I'm going to go hidden lines. What that does is just kind of takes away all the shading and that. So just sometimes you might want to work this way. The other option you could do is go no hidden, and it basically just gives you just the four or the holes. So let's work on this one. So what I'm going to do is go basically round the edges over, and I know that it's set to 5, so I've just changed this to 5. And now all I do is basically, if I click on an edge, and you can see the edge, it automatically rounds it. Now if I just continue along, I can click each one, and it just goes. Right? If I hold the control key down, and I just flip around all the way around like this, and I'll just rotate it. Whoops. Let's just reorientate that in here. Hold the control key, and I just have to find all the edges. So there, there, there. And I just go around the model, making sure I've got them all. And I think I've got them all. Looks like they're all there. And I can just hit accept. Now, just to see if they're there, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to here, shading with reflection with edges. And if I click somewhere, you can see that it looks like they're all there. Okay, so that's done. Okay, now what I'm going to do is add the chamfer. So I'm going to chamfer is just inside here. So I'm going to go to chamfer, and I think it's a 0.5. So I go 0.5, enter, and now it's just a matter of picking the edges. So there's my first chamfer. Hold the control key down, second chamfer, third, and so on. So I'm just going to rotate it around and continue around. So those are all done, and those are done. And I just hit accept, and I'm done. Now if I missed one, all I have to do is go right back into here, edit definition, and I can come back in and fix up the ones I needed to do. Well, that's basically it, adding the chamfers, and that block is officially done, and that's as far as you need to go. Now I can come into shading, and just go shading, get rid of the reflections, and you can see there it is. Okay, all those parts are done. I'm going to hit save, and basically I've done my corner cube, and now you're on to doing the struts. And that's it for this tutorial.